Are you a struggling mechanic? Looking for a quick fix? Do things just never seem to go right? Have we got a solution for you? HRE Merchandise. All you've got to do is head over to www.hre.ie. Click on the tab, head to the shop, go to the merchandise and scroll through and pick out the merchandise that's right for you. In just a click or two, your merch will be on its way. Look at this poor struggling mechanic already stripping a stripped gearbox. Oh, but wait, his HRE merchandise has arrived. Through the magic of HRE merchandise, he is now transformed into a real mechanic. A good mechanic is never far from his tools, and a HRE merchandise mechanic can summon tools at will. Through the magic of your HRE merchandise, you can turn long, arduous jobs into a simple wave of your spanner. After such a hard day's work, I think I've earned a cup of tea. The HRE Merchandise Store has a tool for everything, including a cup for your tea. So head over to hre.ie for all your merchandise needs, and you too can be the mechanic you always wanted to be.
HRE merchandise will not improve mechanical skill or grant superhuman abilities. HRE merchandise has, under some circumstances, spontaneously combusted, causing side effects such as loss of personal belongings, severe maiming, and in some cases, death. HRE does not accept any responsibility for such occurrences and repudiates all liability. Terms and conditions apply.